It's time for some mad science. We have Jetpack Jason in the house. He's going to show us about surface tension today. I haven't heard surface tension since high school, and I don't know if it was chemistry class or something else I was not paying attention to.
But probably one of those.
We're learning about surface tension today, and I want to know first off, what is surface tension and how are you going to demonstrate it?
You know what? We'll demonstrate it to show what surface tension is.
Okay,
we'll turn it around. How's that?
See, you know what, Jason? If you were my high school chemistry teacher, maybe I would have paid attention.
That's my goal.
Okay,
First thing we need to do, though, Bill, is we need to goggle up.
Goggle up.
Goggle up.
You know,
buckle up and goggle up, you know, because you never know what's going to go wrong with water. I mean,
of course.
It could get crazy.
It could get crazy.
Let's do this. You have a jar standing right in front of you, right?
All right.
And I've got this bucket in front of you, too, so that way you can use that. And just in case there's any spills, it doesn't wind up all over the place. It's a lot easier to
I have
clean
two
up.
kids. I'm used to spills and cleaning up spills.
Right?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. You ready? Take this and keep your lid on.
Okay.
Put a finger there. There you go. Turn it on over. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now you should be able to let go with your left hand, and that lid should stay on there. There you go.
Well, look at that.
So surface tension is happening already.
All right.
So what's happening is the water, it wants to get out, right?
Yeah.
But because water really, really likes itself, and it likes other things, it likes to stick to itself and won't let air in to equalize this pressure.
So the pressure is keeping it in there despite gravity wanting to pull that water out of the jar.
All about water, or all about air pressure in this case.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to do this, and then let me do this. I'll kind of show you how to do this. We're going to see if I can do it here. We're going to do this really slowly and carefully. There we go. All right, Bill, your turn.
Should you should take off the jetpack? See, I got the broke one. Why do I always get the broke one?
Well, I'll let you know. Let me shake this a little bit, just so you know there's no nothing in the way there. But I did trick you. I had a little screen here.
So you had the screen there, so you were still getting the surface tension from the screen on over there, so that was still enough to keep that air pressure up there and the water from going out.
Right. So what we did is, instead of having this big area here that the water was trying to, or that we had all this surface area, we broke it down into smaller bits. And that water could cling to itself and cling to the screen a little bit better. And so that didn't let the air in.
Fascinating.
Right? Now, this is something you can do at home, too.
Obviously, yes.
Right? So we'll do this one that everybody can do at home. So you've probably seen this already.
Maybe.
You take a glass, and we'll fill that up. It's just water, I promise.
Mm-hmm. It is Red Friday.
It is. Yeah, this is true. All right, we'll take some of that. And then I'll hand you a note card here, too.
Okay.
Oh, you've got a note card? Well, you can
we'll
take that one.
too.
There we go. I try to be over-prepared. What can I say? All right. So you can go ahead and stick your card on top of there, right? You should, if you do this at home, do it over a sink somewhere, you know, that in case you make a spill, you're not going to have a huge mess to clean up. All right? And then hold that card on there, turn it over real quick, and then you can move your hand, and it should stay there.
There we are.
And again, we have the same thing. We have this water trying to get out, and it's trying to equalize the air pressure, but we can't because the card's in the way, right?
Jetpack Jason, science experiments that make me mad, and I love it. Thank you. You're going to be back here again soon.
Oh, I will.
The next half hour, he's going to show us how to light a dollar bill on fire.
Probably not good for somebody to do at home.
Only to have it come out not burned. You want to see this.
Hopefully.